are pleased to show you the 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, Uconnect hands-free group, remote keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.